Assalamu alaikum to all viewers. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the ubiquitous networking. What is the ubiquitous networking? We will discuss about that. So let's start it. I also having a PPT slides which give the more detail about that. So let's start it. First of all, we can see the introduction. Vision of pervasive computing, ubiquitous computing. The most profound technologies are those that disappear. They weave themselves into the fabric of everyday life until they are indistinguishable from it. The essence of that vision, creation of environment saturated with computing and communication capabilities, yet gracefully integrated with the human user. A vision too far ahead of its time. The required hardware technology simple did not exist. The implementation attempts by Viger and his colleagues at Xerox Park fell short. Also, you can see here the goal of this paper: understand the challenges in computer system research posted by pervasive computing. Outline relationship of pervasive computing to the closely related field of distributed system and mobile computing. Two pervasive computing scenarios. Why they are fiction rather than fact today. Selected key research problems with focus on network system issues, avoiding other areas important to pervasive computing. Also, you can see here related video. Pervasive computing, distributed system and mobile computing. Evolutionary history of pervasive computing, distributed system, mobile computing. Ad hoc system is Mobileye superset WANs, its subset. Pervasive computing, technical problem in PC, old problems already studied and solved at earlier revolution step. Some earlier solution applied directly from for pervasive computing. Some earlier solution are adequate for pervasive computing. And the new problems, no obvious mapping to problem studied at earlier evolution step. Also, you can see here in the next short out complex intellectual relationship between problems, solutions for dist mobi perv, develop a taxonomy of research issues for each phase of the evolution. Also, you can see here the 2.1 distributed system, any computer connected by any network. Research from the mid 1970s through the early 1990s created a conceptual framework and logical algorithm base, enduring value in all work involving greater than two computers connected to a network, where whether mobile or static, wired or wireless, sprays or pervasive. Solution from dist span many areas that are foundational to pervasive computing, well codified in textbooks. Specific sub area solution for dist remote communication include protocol layering, remote procedure call, use of timeouts, use of end-to-end arguments in placements in functionalities, fault tolerance, atomic transaction, distributed and nested transaction, high availability, optimistic prismatic replica control. Also, you can see here the remote information access include caching, function shipping, distributed file system, distributed database. Security include encryption based mutual authentication and privacy. Also, you can see here the mobile computing. The early 1990s full functions, laptop plus wireless LANs, early computing system, a distributed system with the mobile clients. Current mobile computing system, any nodes can be mobile solutions from Mobi. Many basic principles of disk design continue to apply to Mobi. Four key constants of mobility required specialized technique and the mobile computing. Still a very active and evolving field of research awaits, and it also explaining the some other things which are basically very helpful.